Hello guys, I am back with another video and I welcome you all to my channel Wynsum Glow. So today my product is from Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Face Serum. So let's start with the video. Basically vitamin C acts as an antioxidant. It helps our skin from aging. It gives a smoother and brighter looking face. And I love using vitamin C face serums and basically from the brand Wow. I love Wow brand and I am using this brand from quite a long time now. So this product is enriched with witch hazel and hyaluronic acid. So witch hazel is a plant which is very good for our skin, and the hyaluronic acid is the basic function of hyaluronic acid is to retain water in our skin to keep our skin moist. So it's very good for healthier and supple skin. So the basic ingredients are very good. Now let's talk about the packaging. This is the outer packaging, cardboard packaging, simple cardboard packaging. Yaat likha ase Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Face Serum 20%. This is for all skin type, suits all skin types, and this is dermatologically tested, yes. And to help hydrate skin and brighten complexion. It has no paraben, no silicone, no mineral oil. So it is free from all the harsh chemicals. Okay, the price of this product is $6.99, but you will find in online stores 10 or 20% less. So I purchased it at $5.50 or $5.49 around something, and the net volume is 30 ml. And this is the inner packaging, the glass bottle hoy. So there is a plastic cap and there's a pump bottle. I will show you the texture. So there's a clear gel, see, very lightweight and very clear. So basically this product brightens up your skin. Jodi apnalokor face ot fine lines ase, then etu product apnalokor fine lines, wrinkles eblak remove korat hoy koribo. Under eye blagot jodi apnalokor puff ase ba swelling or dark circles ase, this product will remove them also. Wow brand is basically from India and it is very good. Yat likha ase Wow for authenticity. Apnalokor karobar jodi monot doubt hoy Wow brand to loi pelai, then you can Google it also, but I personally love it. Nowadays vitamin C face serums are very popular. Belag brand ro ase, you can go for other brands also, but I personally like Wow. So I suggest you to buy only Wow products or Wow vitamin C product. Apnalokor uneven texture ase, uneven skin ase face ot, tenahole it will even out your skin, even out your face. Okay, smell of this product is very citrus type, orangish, but not very dominating nohoy. So that's all for today. Video to size jodi apnaloke bhal pale ba kiba ta hikibo parile, then please video to like kori dibo, video to share kori dibo, and more channel to subscribe kori dibo. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.